Hi, my name is Mel Larsen. We have several videos on YouTube, and I have many hats and many interests. I have had this interest in perpetual motion since I can remember. This is a drawing that I drew when I was 30 years ago, when I was 22, 23 years old. And you can see that the balls and the chambers, and they're moving, and this was a theory that I had a long time ago. Little did I know, doing some research a year ago on Leonardo da Vinci, this drawing here is this drawing here. And so I started doing some more research, and they say that when a person dies, their spirit goes into another person. Well, if you got to know me, you might think that I am the modern day Leonardo da Vinci. This is a device that I made that takes Leonardo's another wheel with weights that go in and out, and I've taken his wheel that same drawing 30 years ago, and I've added arms for more leverage, and this wheel will actually spin effortlessly. It does not turn, but it doesn't take any strength to move it, whereas his wheel will not move. It only turns about 60%. This will turn 99%. But I did over 100 models in the last, spent 4 months, thousands of hours, did 100 models, and in this time I have solved whether you call it perpetual motion or I call it a gravity machine, because gravity is what turns this device. The secret to creating this device is underwater. And I would like to talk to somebody about this, because I've done my test and I can build a device that underwater will turn by gravity. Gravity is the turning force here. And I know it'll work, but it'll take some time and some machinery to build it that I don't have. But if you are really serious and interested about designing a device, this is the answer to our oil problems, our energy problems. I can create a device that will give us free energy. And so you may think this video is a hoax. I am dead serious. And if you can call me, if you're a scientist or somebody that is interested in this field, I'd like to talk to you about it, because I know I can create this engine. I'm just going to need a little help doing it. But all my tests show that this will work. And once I explain the reason behind it, then you're going to understand that this will work. Because of underwater, you can change atmospheric pressure. And by doing atmospheric pressure, I can make a device heavier on one side, lighter on the other, and it doesn't take any forces to move that weight from one side to the other. Therefore, this machine will work. You can contact me at melstage1@aol.com. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible.